Do you need an exact color that our swatches don't offer? We can create custom colors on your order if requested. All we need is a custom Pantone number when you're placing the order. You can input this in the text box at the bottom of the swatches during the ordering process. Just be sure to specify if it's coded with a C or uncoded with the U as well. If you're unsure of the exact color, you can find this by referring to a reference book from Pantone. For more information on Pantone or where you can order a swatch book, you can go to pantone.com. Please remember that RGB and hex codes that you find in illustration programs cannot be used for this purpose, because this code is for computer-generated colors only. If you ever need a custom color, or if a neon color is selected, we always recommend to add white as an ink color to your order. This way we can add white as a base to preserve brightness and opacity. Otherwise, your transfers may be a bit thinner than normal. These inks are slightly thinner than our other standard ink colors because they're specially mixed. However, if the transfers are going to be pressed on a white material, then adding white as an ink color may not be necessary. Please contact our team throughout the process to discuss the results of your product if you are unsure before checking out. Still have more questions about our colors? Check out our other videos covering this topic, or find our contact information if you'd like to speak to a representative, which are both linked in the description of this video and on our website at Versatrans.com.